So this road is 360 and we are heading to Vonore. We got another GS and a small little GS 850. Yeah, I'm not going to make it around this minivan. We are going to be stuck for a minute. There's nothing worse than being behind some dude in his sister wife's minivan in the mountains. If he owned a motorcycle, typically a rider, when they see a bike coming up behind them and they're in their cage, they'll pull off and let you pass. But you get some of these inbred mountain folks, they just don't know any better. He's driving this minivan as fast as he possibly can, and he thinks it's impressive. But at the end of the day, he's still driving a Dodge Caravan. I mean, how cool is that? Yeah, it's not really that cool, is it? Oh, crap, a motorcycle gang! Motorcycle gang! Yay, Harley Davidson! Yeah, motorcycle gang! Reminds me of that South Park episode where they bashed the motorcycle gangs. If you don't know what I'm talking about, Google it. It's they changed the F word. I think that's what the name of the episode is, the F word or something like that. They started calling Harley owners fags. I'd have to say, though, following a minivan on twisty, curvy mountain roads is just about the same as following a Harley Davidson. The minivan driver's probably a better driver than a Harley owner. money right there. The rich people got the boats out. And then this area has only got one little tiny cuddy cabin. And that, in case you're wondering, that's my wife trying to say something, and I don't know what she was, something about a boat. It was breaking up pretty bad.